Hello, I'm Alexa, and welcome to the Good Morning Minute, a series of videos that I've created to teach you something important, hopefully in less than a minute. Today's minute is about my UX design tools. What are they and why do I use these tools? This is what I create with. I use Sketch as my main high-fidelity design tool. For version control and keeping my files safe, I use Abstract. I use Principle for prototyping, InVision for collaboration and click-through user testing. I use Post-it notes for taking notes, and the Google Suite for documentation and presentations. So then the question is, what tools should you use if you want to get into product design? One way to answer this is to go out and learn the tools that are most popular in the tech industry right now. It's sort of tough though, because there are a lot of popular tools to choose from, so instead, let me offer you an alternative perspective. I don't think it really matters what's trending. Ultimately, when you get a job, you're going to need to learn to use the tools that your new team has decided on. If you don't, this will make it harder for you to work together and for you to do your job. So let's say I were to get a new job, and at that new company, the team was using Adobe XD. Well, I can't just keep using Sketch. I would need to learn how to use Adobe XD to do my job. If I were to keep using Sketch, my work would be siloed. If I ever needed to hand off my work to someone else, they wouldn't be able to use it. It would be a huge waste of time. So what I think is more important than asking what my design tools are is asking what is my mindset when it comes to design tools. I think it's super important to be flexible, open to learning, and to make sure you value consistency and collaboration over using a specific tool that you're comfortable with. Does that make sense? If you're starting out, choose one of these tools and start creating with it. What's most important right now is that you practice the craft and repeat the process as much as possible. If you start applying to jobs and notice that the companies that you're interested in working at are all using a specific tool that you don't know yet, then start testing it out. Go into it with a learner's mindset, and I know you will do just fine. And that has been a Good Morning Minute. I hope to see you next time.